Hello everyone, hope you are all doing good. Here, I would like to disclose the misconception of oral medicine radiology specialty as non clinical. This is the only specialty where we can give a holistic and comprehensive approach in diagnosing the diseases by our clinical examination, our clinical expertise, as well as radiological interpretation to arrive at the diagnosis of oral and maxillofacial disorders. I would like to list out certain scopes in our specialty. As an oral physician and diagnostician, first we can establish a private clinic setup either as a general dental practice or a specialty clinic like TM joint and orofacial pain clinic, where we can perform T-scan occlusion analysis and DTR therapy for TM joint disorders. Next, practice laser dentistry in the treatment of oromucosal lesions. In collaboration with tertiary care hospitals, you can be a part of oral oncology team, palliative care clinic and rehabilitation center for post-radiotherapy patients. In the diagnosis and management of oral manifestations of medically compromised patients, we play a major role. As you all know, mouth is a mirror of systemic health. As an oral physician and diagnostician, we may be at times the first one to diagnose the hidden systemic diseases by its oral changes. Next, we shall discuss as an oral and maxillofacial radiologist, you can be either a part-time or full-time reporting radiologist where you can perform the reporting of CT, MRI, CBCT, ultrasonography of maxillofacial region. As a lucrative business, you can set up your own oral and maxillofacial radiology center. Next, in a 3D printing and guiding and reporting of implant placement. In a CBCT, you can perform airway analysis to evaluate the obstructive sleep apnea. The next emerging area is artificial intelligence in diagnosis. So, I hope that you all will accept the oral physician and diagnostician as a clinician rather than a non-clinician. Happy learning, keep learning. Thank you.